Hello and welcome to another one of my Leetcode videos. In this one we'll do Leetcode 2506, count pairs of similar strings. This was from the contest today, and basically what we're given is we're given an array of strings or a list of words, and we need to find how many pairs of words are similar. And when we say similar, it means their set of characters is exactly the same, right? So in this case, for example, this ABCA and this CBA both have ABC as their unique characters, right? In this case, like ABC, ABA, CBA, BCFD are not similar since they do not consist of the same set of characters, like F is here but not here. So we have to return the number of pairs such that the two strings are similar. Now, our approach here is going to be we need to count how many words share the same character set, right? That's our goal. And so if we create some sort of like a hash map where the key is basically the set of characters and the value is the number of strings that match it, right? So in this case, for every time we see a string, we compute its set of characters, and then if that set of characters already exist, we increment the count. Otherwise, we add a new entry with a count of 1, right? And at the end, what we'll do is, okay, if based on we'll loop through this map and say based on the count, we can have, like, let's say if the count was 3, and then the formula for computing the number of pairs with 3 is basically 3 times 3 minus 1 over 2, right? If the count was, let's say, just 1, in this case we don't have any pairs. So if you apply the same formula, right, it's going to end up at 0 because 1 minus 0 is 0. And so this will allow us to do this more efficiently in O(n) time instead of the brute force n squared solution where you have to compare every pair, right? So let's try and code this solution. So the first thing we have to do is create this map of the set of characters and an integer, which is the number of strings. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. So here we have our map of character set to frequency. The next thing we need to do is iterate through the list of words and then update this map. So let me create a loop through the words. So here's our loop through the words, and now we need to update the map with the character set. So first let's compute the character set. So here's our char set. This will represent the set of characters in this word, and now let's loop through each character in the word and add it to the set. So here's our loop going through each character in the word, and then now we just have to add it to our char set. So we just go char set.add c. And so now that we have our char set, now we need to update this frequency map with the new count, right? So let's first let's compute our new count. So our new count will be, if the character already exists, then it's going to be that count plus 1, otherwise it's going to be 0, right? So we have, this is basically the old count, right? We look up the map for char set, and if it's not there, we default to 0, and then we add 1. And then we just have to put this new count into the map. So there we go. We just put it into the map. And so at the end of this, we'll have a list of unique character sets and the number of matching strings. And so now what we have to do is just go through the map values and apply this formula, right, where we compute the number of pairs. So we can say int total pairs equals 0, and then I'll loop through the values of the map. So here's a loop going through the values of the map, and then what we need to do is just say apply that formula. So we say total pairs plus equals num pairs times num pairs minus 1 divided by 2. At the end, we return total pairs. So let me go ahead and remove this thing, and let's run the code. Okay, we don't need this extra thing. Cool, all test cases passed. Let's submit. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.